Let's make light skin tone in Photoshop. Before I start the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and press the bell notification of downside. Okay, let's jump into the video. Get the quick selection tool and select the subject. You can right click the image and press layer copy. Now you can see the subject image copy has shown. Hide the background layer. Go to select option and choose the color range. And follow my instructions. Unhide the second layer and choose first layer. Get the solid colored adjustment layer and choose white color. For a beginner, this tutorial has so easy. If you have problem, comment down below your problem. I will reply. Go to blending options and choose the soft light mode. Choose the first layer and go to blending options and your image color will change. Follow my instructions. Tutorial is end guys, but the next video comes soon. Until then, stay happy, stay calm and see you in next video.